In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to DIY your own resistance band anchor if you don't have a store-bought version. So just a little recap, a resistance band anchor, it's got one end that goes over the door, so it'll have a plastic bit, or this has like a bead kind of entrapped in the fabric, and then it's going to have a loop that you put your resistance band through, and then this goes over the door, and then you can pull against the anchor. If you don't have one of those, you can make your own I'm using a pair of my daughter's tights that she's outgrown. These work really well. You could also use if you have a long tube sock, or if you have an old t-shirt that you can cut into strips. You just need some kind of long piece of fabric. And honestly, like, I'd choose something sturdier than this, but this does work. So all you have to do, you're going to tie you're going to tie a knot in each end of your fabric, whatever it is. So taking my tights here, and I've got knots in both ends. Now I'm going to put these knots through my door frame, and I have a loop for my resistance band. I'm going to show you this in a second, but I also want to show you just how I'm going to set this up. I'm going to take my red band here. I know you can't see my head. And I'm going to loop that through. So it looks just like that. It's a little sturdier than just putting the red band through the white. Now I'm going to bring you over here. So I'm going to take these two ends with the knots, open my door. The knots go over the top. Make sure your door closes really well. And I always advise, if you can, using a door that closes towards you, and then just pull this tight. Test it. Always test it, please. And from here, you're going to be able to use your band to do all of those nice exercises that require an anchor. Easy peasy. All right. Let me know how it goes.